Now, your forecast from Fox 56 News, the weather authority.
All right, hey, welcome back in. The big highlight for us is how crazy the next 72 hours could end up being with the latest trends we're seeing as our incoming system brings us the opportunity for a faster moving cold front that leads to scattered showers and maybe some thunder early tomorrow morning. Our second wave is showing a big southeast shift for where the heaviest rainfall will line up. We're still expecting to see plenty of rainfall here, but those rainfall totals are starting to look a bit less across the board. Temperatures also might bottom out a little bit sooner with how these shifts are taking place. The faster cold front, the southeast movement, all of that could lead to colder temperatures earlier in the day tomorrow that last through a good chunk of the weekend. Take a look here as we get into it. This current low is making its way towards the Great Lakes. With it, the warm front is starting to influence us already. We've got plenty of cloud cover coming in from it, and we'll be watching for this line of showers here and storms that's working through the Central Plains and southern Central Plains to work its way into Kentucky overnight tonight into early tomorrow morning. With that system, with that setup, we have the opportunity to see a couple of maybe isolated stronger storms within the line that could lead to gusty, damaging winds, or maybe even a very brief spin-up opportunity. There's not a lot of energy, but there is a lot of spin potential with this storm. So we have the level 1 out of 5 risk that is across portions of the Fox 56 viewing area. Very low opportunity, but not zero. So just keep that in mind. Maybe toss on the alerts as we head into tomorrow. Here's what it times out like. Can't rule out some spotty rain chances out ahead of this main line as we get into the overnight. By about 7, 8 o'clock, this line of showers and possible thunderstorms rolls through. That's where we'll see some pockets of heavy rain, maybe some of those severe warnings, and then the cold front will quickly stall out across the state, and this makes a big change for whether or not we get temperatures to drop or if they stay warmer. We do have a warm front that's going to replace it, but the question remains is how far north does the warm front get? It is cutting us right in half, according to Futurecast here for us into tomorrow, and into Saturday even. So what we're going to see is still heavier rain, but this is when we expect the bulk of the rain, overnight Friday into Saturday, and you can see that as the low comes straight across Kentucky, different system, but moving through, most of the heaviest stuff is being pushed further to the south. Not to say we won't get rain, but the heavy stuff remains at a distance. Watch as we go into Saturday now, and these showers start to fade away. By Sunday, cold air really takes over, and that's going to bring some snow chances into the mix. Some light ones at that, not expecting any accumulation, but there is going to be that possibility moving forward. So here, maybe this is a better representation of what we're talking about. Yesterday, all of these 1 to 2 inch zones were mostly into southern Kentucky. Now everything is further south, ½ inch to an inch, with higher totals towards our southern and eastern border of 1 to 2 inches possible, where the heaviest rain sets up. We'll also see wind gusts upwards of 40+ miles an hour as the cold front comes in tomorrow. As it moves by, the wind's slow, but notice here, all the northwest flow is going to keep us in that cooler air. Here comes that secondary low, and then the winds pick up again. As they do, temperatures are going to be quite different. We're going to go from the 60s tomorrow to the 50s, maybe at best on Saturday, to the 30s by Sunday. We could drop even sooner if that cold air really just settles in and these fronts don't move. So we could be talking about 40s all weekend long, and that's what next week looks like too, with some more rain and snow chances.